Does managing private lessons at your gym feel like a juggling act? You can say goodbye to the chaos. Introducing LessonLink Pro, an innovative platform that streamlines your gym's private lessons, all from one place. LLP collects gym usage fees and deposits them directly into your account. Coaches can create dynamic schedules and streamline payments with flexible fee options. Book multiple students per lesson while LLP handles payments. Coaches can pass fees to parents or absorb them. Office staff can instantly view and interact with a real-time calendar to see when your coaches are doing private lessons and with who. LLP tracks signed waivers, ensuring all students are covered. Coaches can send progress reports to parents or students. And the best part? LLP is completely free for your gym to use. Manage your private lessons with ease and focus on growing your gym. Book a demo today